Ahead of the TWF Foundation Day on June 6, the Central Committee of the organization launched a humanitarian welfare drive at the Kherengbar Hospital in Khumulwng today. To mark the eve of their foundation milestone, a delegation of TWF including MDC Gita Debbarma, President Manihar Debbarma, accompanied by former Minister Mevar Kumar Jamatia, visited the Kherengbar Hospital premises. The TWF is the influential women's wing of the regional political outfit, the Jamatia party. The delegation interacted with patients across various wards, inquiring about their health conditions and treatment facilities. As a gesture of goodwill and community service, the leaders distributed packages of sweets and clean drinking water to all the patients and their attending family members. Speaking to media personnel on the sidelines of the distribution drive, MDC Gita Debbarma stated that celebrating organizational milestones should always begin with serving the most vulnerable sections of society.
Basically, 6th June, Chini TWF Foundation Day. Apart from this program, program is a part of Chini Kherengbar Hospital. There are patients tonight, Sakanya tonight, Borokno Chini, Kisahino, Chamu, Chantino, Recover Yapar Lake, Chini Pico, basically,
the hospital's medical superintendent and in-charge, along with senior nursing staff and local party volunteers, were also present to smoothly coordinate the distribution drive across the healthcare facility. Reporter from Khumulwng, Chini, Khorang.